And then 24 is going to be down here at the very bottom. Pause it if you have to. If you pause the screen, then you can pause it and read it. If I move it too fast, probably did. And then the finishes is 24 right here. There you go. Are you in there? There you are. This is an NIV. It's 2011. That was the very first English translation. It's been removed. The animals have living souls. That living soul is Christ. So for whatever doctrine out there in the world that's preaching animals have souls, do not have souls, is definitely not true, right? That there's 45,000, I got 1%. Do animals have souls? There's no scientific evidence to prove or disprove the existence of souls in animals. And the answer depends on how one defines the word souls. Okay, so that didn't give me what I wanted. In Christianity, do animals have souls? Animals do not have souls. And that is a Christianity.com. Christianity.com says animals do not have souls. Did you see it? Did you see it? Right there. Make sure it's clear. Come on, I know it'll clear up. I don't know if it's clear. Oh my gosh. Let's just go right on top of it. There you go. You got to be able to see it now. Should be no problem. Animals do not have souls. Christianity.com.